morning, we are the architects, and our basic idea of this kit was home automation.
In this kit, the automated living experience, we have included many parts for a person to create a miniature house model using the 3D printed parts that we have printed.
Compared to other competitors, our kit is priced at 2,280 rupees. This kit provides many features at an affordable price and is unique in many ways.
At the start of the challenge, first 2 weeks we hadn't done anything, not even decided on an idea. So we were really pushed far behind. But at the end, we did something and our prototype is ready.
When we were making this kit, we had faced many problems like the time management, when we were gonna do it, when we were gonna complete it, or all components we're gonna use. But then when building the kit, we could understand the idea and we had the feeling of time management. At the end of the kit, now we all know how to manage the time. And when making a future kit, we can all make it in time.
Our kit can expand in many ways. We can create, instead of the house, we can add many other amenities to our house, like a parking lot, etc.
10xTechClub has assigned us with a project. At the end of the stage 2 course, he challenged us with creating a learning box for a specified age group. We decided to create a brain. So for this, we have 3D printed brain and this is stand, the PCB, and we have many things on this, and actually also have a 3D model of a brain which is showing all the lobes, and we have a few cards to make it a little bit more fun. Throughout building this kit, we faced many challenges. We were given a 3-week time period to build this entire thing, and in the first 2 weeks, we did not really do much. We 3D printed the brain, and then all of this technical stuff was done in the last week.
So in this project, we used technologies as the model, which was created with 3D printing. And all of this is just hardware which we learned from the course. Now in the middle of the course, we decided to build a website for our brain, and for that we use static internet, which takes our IP address and converts it into a website. So Google also uses that, except with under a domain name.
We are Team 3 and we decided to create this project, the Cosmo Explorer Kit, a fun Mars rover kit especially for children ages 10 plus. Inside this kit, if you open, you will find the circuit diagram as well as the PCB diagram. We created a special guide to help.
So this project is to enhance the skill of children learning about space.
The only main problem that was occurring was that 2 motors were not functioning properly. So the rover was not able to move, but after adjustments, it started to move.
So we have used different types of technology like wireless technologies, and we have also used different apps.
Alright, please welcome our jury for today. Mr. Sanat. Hello. And Bihar. Good afternoon to all of you, and welcome to this stage 2 Hardware Hackathon. This is where we end the 3-month journey, and the idea behind this program is to have project-based learning. So that is why every stage finally ends with some kind of project or demonstration that the kids do. And now what we are going to do and what you can expect is, jury has spent an hour and a half with the teams. They have evaluated the teams. Now, whatever the students have developed, they are going to show to you in the form of a presentation and an actual video image that we will project on the screen. So we start with this first team.
First of all, my name is Sanat, and I've been working in research for the past 20 years in Singapore with different government labs in Singapore. I thank Rajesh for inviting me over here, first of all, because I'm actually quite bowled over by the kind of work this age kids are getting exposed to, and they are kind of doing, and the kind of work I've seen. 25, 30 years back, I wouldn't have done this. My thanks to all, and congratulations to all the students. I think you have done a fantastic job. I come from a very hardcore technological background. I've done core hardware, embedded networking, etc. And the kind of questions and kind of which you have answered and the kind of concepts. Basically, the first part is always concepts. Even if your project is not working, that's fine. But if you understand what you're doing, right, that's more important. You can always succeed. And you can always make beautiful products later on. But I'm really zapped at kind of knowledge you have gained right now through this past 3 or 4 months that you've gained.
First thing I told them, like, congratulations everyone. You did a very commendable job. The product, what you see, you won't believe this. This is done by like 12 years to 15-year-old kids. Because they're very, like, the designing, the box, the proper, compartmentalize, the documentation and everything. Okay? So really good things.
Thank you so much once again. I'm really happy to come here. Okay, so the winner for PAP Hackathon this time is the rover team. And by a very close margin.
Actually, very close margin. The difference between
all the three teams is very, very close. Yeah.
Very close. Congratulations.
So hope you all enjoyed the demo. I cannot say how much I really enjoyed the whole show. Whether I was pushing you so much, and I know you guys have exams, you want to enjoy your holidays, and Holi was there. All of these things, but still you somehow managed. I think all of the points that Sanat mentioned, that Neha mentioned, you guys can take as feedback, and we would love if some of you can productize this whole kit. The kit industry in India is growing. The toy industry in India is growing rapidly, especially gamified toys. And I think this experiential learning toys has a lot of actual market scope.
Hi, my name is Saurav and my son's name is Shriyansh Chaudhary. The moment Rajesh, who's the founder of this tech club, came up with this course, I found it very interesting. Because I don't know of much on offline classes where my son or any kids of our age would get exposure to this kind of courses where they would really build things. So this course interested me a lot because of the hands-on experience that children would get exposed to.